my beautiful people, I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So we're about to get into this wig installation video, and we're doing it for westkiss.com. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the accessories and the things that you might need for your wig that you can get on the website. So the wig that we'll be reviewing today and installing is a 22-inch brown curly unit. Now this is their 7-in-1 ready to go wig, and it is a 5x5 closure wig. I absolutely love closure wigs because they're super beginner friendly. And also this wig comes with 2 braids on the side, which is already styled for you. So cute. The lace is already pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached. As I said, it is a 5x5 closure. Perfect for beginners. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm a little bit particular about my hairlining, how I want it to look even when I'm wearing wigs, so I just want to pluck that just a tad bit more, just for my personal preference of how my hairlining is, and I just feel more comfortable if it kind of mimics my natural hairlining so that it can look as natural as possible. Like I did that in under a minute because I didn't really have to do it. Like I said, I'm just super particular. So I'm a redhead, of course. I'm just gonna slick in my edges. I'm using a edge control to do this. You can use whatever edge control you have. This part doesn't really matter, just as long as you push your hair back. And why I'm doing that is I'm not gonna do the ball cap method. I'm trying to make this as simple as possible for my girlies that, you know, you just want the simplest method of putting on a wig that can be done in less than 30 minutes. That is all I am here to teach you, like simple, easy ways. And I don't like sleeping in my wigs, so I prefer my wigs to be easy to put on so that I don't need to take a lot of time to get it done, and I don't have to sleep in it because I like to sleep hair free. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some bronzing powder on the lace itself, again just to make sure that this lace is matching my complexion, especially since I'm already wearing makeup. My face is already bronzed out, so I'm using the same bronzer that I use on my forehead just to make sure that I can get the match and make this look like scalp. You feel me? So we're aligning the wig, and again this is a glueless wig. As soon as it goes on, you can see it is sitting flat. Okay, the wig is sitting flat. What I'm gonna do, however, I'm gonna put a little bit of lace spray on my forehead itself, just a tad bit, nothing crazy, because I just wanted to lie down as flat as possible, especially since I'm going out, and I just want to make sure that it doesn't move but not glued down, if you know what I mean, because this is super light. It is harmless on your edges. If I put some water on my finger and dab it right there, it's gonna come right off. So it's just to make it look like I did like a whole shebang, whole routine of doing that extra step of doing the ball cap method and using lace glue and all of that, but we didn't. And then I take some mousse and put it on to do a little swoop to the dupe action, nothing crazy, but I just particularly like swoops. I like a little edge. You don't have to do that if you're not into that, but that's just my style. And then we're going to use this elastic band that I got on the website as well to just help that to dry down in place. And then I'll be using this Main Choice restoration spray. I use it on my natural hair, and I'm like, you know what, this is a curly hair and I love how it looks on my natural hair, and it smells amazing. So I'm like, I'm about to put it on this wig because it's human hair and it's an investment, and I need the wig to look as best as it can. And then we're gonna go in with some mousse, and I'm just trying to redefine the hair, get it a little bit more uniformed, reduce some of the volume. I didn't want it to be too big, and I didn't want it to be too wet, if you know what I mean. I didn't want it to lay flat. I wanted it to still have volume, but just in a more defined way. So I'm just gonna go in with that spray and that mousse until I am satisfied with the hair. And girl, this spray smells so freaking good. Like, I'm obsessed. Now that my hair is fully saturated and I left it to dry for a bit, this is what the unit is looking like. Don't mind that dent in my forehead. It's because I had the elastic on for a bit too long. Then I'm going to go in with some more bronzing powder just to make sure that I get back that blend. And also the elastic took out some of my makeup in the front, so it does have a little white lining, but go back in with that bronzing powder and you are all set. So this is the completed look. I love that little braiding detail on the side because I don't know how to braid, and to know that my wig already came pre-styled. This is not a full frontal wig, but do you see how well it sits on the side? This is a closure wig, but you can't really tell it's a closure wig just from how the side is just well placed on my head. And I love that it has the adjustable band in the back so that it fits comfortable. I can swing my head, I can move around, all of that good stuff, because the wig is sitting and she does not move. Let me know what you guys think about this unit. All the details will be down below. The quality of the hair, the feel, the lusciousness, the volume, everything is just so good, and this is super beginner friendly. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.